Hello guys, welcome to Jhatpat Cooking, and today we are making lemon garlic salmon. It's super easy and super amazingly in taste. So what are we waiting for? Let's get started. Here I took one salmon, not complete salmon, just a fillet of salmon. I cut it into small pieces. Now I'm drying the pieces, add in some salt, add in some black pepper to it. Do the same on the back side too. Take a heavy bottom pan or an iron pan, add in some olive oil and let it get really hot. When you see the smoke, add in the salmon. So it's 2 minutes on both sides to get that nice crispy crunchy taste. Look at that. Now I'm going to turn the others to flip. See how crunchy it looks. So here our salmon is done. I'll remove and keep it aside. In the same pan, add 4 tablespoons of butter. Add in some lemon juice. I'm taking half a lemon. Add in 1 clove of garlic. Garlic is optional, but I like the flavor of garlic, so I added it. Add some cilantro and mix it well. Now 2 tablespoons of milk and mix it rigorously. Here our sauce is ready. So let's get to plating now. Take salmon fillet, add in some sauce on the top. Garnish it with cilantro and lime and enjoy. Trust me guys, it's super easy and super yummy in taste. Please do try it and don't forget to subscribe.